Okay, looking at the first one, the batch culture. Okay, see, a batch culture is a cell suspension, okay, where you suspend the cells, means they are floating, right, in a fixed volume of nutrient culture medium, okay. Cell division and cell growth with increase in biomass occur until one of the factors becomes limiting, okay. So, as I said, until one of the nutrient, they get finished, okay, they get depleted. So those lag phase, log phase, this one you know how the cells will grow, okay. Just go through, you will remember again, and you will realize that, oh, whatever we study, everything's interrelated, okay. What you studied in 4th sem, it's coming now here, okay. Okay, so let's look. So you can maintain them by you transfer them to a fresh medium at regular intervals, okay. And here they say only 2 to 3 days, because cells they grow very fast, okay. Then now let's look at the continuous culture. Here you add regularly fresh nutrient medium and you drain out the used medium, okay. Then so that it will become normal and constant, okay. And these are used in the some specially designed culture vessel, bioreactor, okay. It's not that from one test tube to another, nothing like this, no. It is this is a bioreactor, no. It's some sort of a machine where there's input of fresh and output of depleted, yes, depleted media, okay. So this is the difference between continuous and what was that other first one, my goodness, my brain, batch culture and continuous culture, okay. So it is done under controlled conditions, okay, where they maintain the oxygen, the pH, okay. Then let's look at the next one, open continuous culture. So there is inflow of fresh medium in a balance with the outflow of the volume of spent medium with the cell, okay. So this one, the input is equal with the output, okay. This one is equal to, input is equal to output, okay. So that is your open continuous culture, regarded as a chemostat, like a thermostat, no, where you regulate the temperature. So thermostat means it will regulate the chemical components, okay. Then turbidostat, addition of media is done when there is increase of turbidity, okay. So you go through the next, by yourself, it's easy to understand. So turbidostat to maintain turbidity, okay. Let's look again, closed continuous culture. This is when the cells are retained while the inflow of fresh medium is balanced with the outflow of the corresponding spent medium, and they are separated by mechanical wise and added back to the culture system, okay. So the cells, you by your hands you have to take out the cells, okay. I'm trying to draw a hand. You have to take out the cells by yourself. You can scoop them up, you scoop them up by a special and then you transfer them somewhere, okay. Then synchronization of suspension culture. When the cells, they are not of the same shape, same size, etc., they are asynchronous, okay. So synchronized will be opposite of that. So we want the synchronization to happen, okay. We want the most of the cell to be of the same cell cycle phase, okay. For example, I teach you girls and I want you all to understand me at this same time, no. If some of you are slow, then I will give you a extra time, but here we want the cells to grow at almost the same rate, okay. So let's go on to the next. Several methods are used to bring out the synchronization of suspension culture. So there are some methods to make them have the same cell cycle. Some are physical, chemical, selection by volume, you can go through by yourself, chemical and starvation, okay. Then how to measure the growth culture. So you do the cell counting. So I think you must have seen the video by Miss Rimaya, that hemocytometer, no, where she's counting the cells. So you count it using a hemocytometer. Packed cell volume is a measure of the volume of suspension is centrifuge, and the volume of the pellet volume is recorded. Okay, so this is what to say, entrance question. It is the volume of pellet, volume of culture versus volume of pellet. Okay, so this is the cells and this is the pellet here. No, this one, let's say this one is twice the ratio of the pellet, 2 by 1. Okay, then you have to look at the measurement of the cultured cells. You have to directly observe them. You stain and you see them. Are they healthy? Are the cells, cytoplasm is healthy, the nucleus is okay, the chromosomes are okay. So you can use this staining method, this method. You can go through by yourself, girls. The note is already there since last week. Okay. Then you want, what is a clone? A clone is a mass of cell which has been derived from one cell, okay, through mitosis. Okay. Single cells can be cultured by these techniques. Okay, you don't it's just given, it's just to culture the cell. It's not exactly in your syllabus, but if you want to know extra, you can see some of these methods. But they usually come during NET and all, no? So it's good if you know. If you don't remember also, it's okay. So with this, thank you, girls. We are done with the syllabus.